So is your allotment or vegetable garden very remote and you keep having trouble with things being stolen, things getting eaten? Well, I found a camera that may be able to give you remote viewing wherever you are, no Wi-Fi or no power needed. Let's take a look. So we now have the Reolink set up in the test location. It's on this tree, and as you can see, the ties have worked really well, and it's only a small branch. They're lovely and firm. It's all hooked, ready to go. We have the solar panel in place. Now this is a massive cable and it gives you a great distance, so you can get it right at the top of a tree or find your sunny area. This is always in sun, so I'll put it here and it'll charge this device, so absolutely no power needed. Inside this unit we have the SIM card and it works off data, so no Wi-Fi needed either, which makes it perfect for those absolute remote locations. This will send a signal to that, we'll hop on the phone and we'll have a look, see what the phone view looks like. And we'll point the camera in the same direction so you can see what that sees. And I'll try and do a split screen or something similar. So here we go on the app, and that's my camera there. Hello, we're coming around the side of a house, and let's take a sit for a minute and just try the other version. So we tilt the camera, and there we go. We have the wide angle view so we can get into it, and there you go. So hopefully you can see what I'm seeing on the camera as well. Let's get right up close. So we're around 12 foot away at the minute, at about 5 foot away here, and the sun is coming from this direction, so it's hitting me in the face. Let's get a clear shot on the face with the sun, and again I can almost touch the camera and it's working absolutely fine. There's the cabin, pan around and into the trees. So first of all, this thing, it's called the Go Ranger PT, and it's designed for looking remotely at wildlife, so wildlife viewing. Of course, we get a lot of wildlife on our allotment. We get badgers, we get deer, we get rats, squirrels, rabbits, you name it. But if you want to go remote out into the country looking for those wildlife, this is the one for you as well. So we're adapting this to survive on the allotment. It comes with this solar panel, and like I said, it's really very well made, camouflaged. It is just a nice bit of kit. The mounting rod is good, with a fairly decent length of cable to attach it to a tree. So there is a solar panel. Now this camera, it's the first ever 4K 4G remote camera. So what that means is you put a SIM card in it, and you can buy a SIM card that has a year's worth of data. So it's a micro SIM card. It comes with one to test, 100 megabytes I believe, to test the camera itself. And the strap on this is absolutely massive. So if this needs to connect to any sort of tree, it will do. So that's how you connect it. There is also screw holes in the bottom if you want to screw it permanently in place. Has the antenna for the 4G network. Now, solar panel clearly powers the unit, and it's got a battery inside here. So you've got remote power, no Wi-Fi needed. It's all you need. This thing will zoom and pan 360 degrees. It's IP64 waterproof, and you can set it to be picture and video, or just video mode, or just picture mode. So you can get it just to take snapshots of animals or video as well. It has animal detection on it, so it can send you alerts. It has a speaker on it, so if anyone's talking near the camera, you can pick onto that and you can speak to them as well. It is really, it's like top of the line camera, and I found this on Amazon, and it is very highly rated on Amazon as well. And the company reached out to me and asked me if I would take a look at it for them, and that's what I've done. It's not paid, and as you know me, I will give you an honest opinion. If something's not right, I will definitely shout it out. I haven't found any faults with this. The only fault is if you're tight like me, you don't want to spend money on a data card. But by the by, if you've got a remote location, you're looking after things, or you want protection around that location, and this could be your ticket. It's 4K. Now it does also come with 360 pan and tilt view as well, so you can spin it around and around. It depends where you mount it, so you can always have that eye in the sky wherever you need it. It's a lovely bit of kit. It's very heavy, so bear that in mind when you're tying it to a tree as well. Put it on a very sturdy surface, because this, it sits actually upside down. The antenna goes up like that, and that's how it'll sit, so it'll keep most of the weather off the unit itself. The rain will hit here, has these channels in it to drop the rain outside of the camera to keep it protected, and that's how it will sit on the surface. I'm really impressed with this bit of kit, and the fact that you don't need any Wi-Fi or any power for this unit to work. It's an absolute game changer, and I love it. It really is. Toys for the boys. A nice bit of kit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.